Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about salicylic acid and its benefits. Are you also suffering from back acne, ingrown hair and keratosis pilaris? In just 2 minutes, I'll break down how this miracle ingredient works and how to use it for smooth and clear skin. Let's dive in. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid used for tackling clogged pores and rough skin. It is oil soluble, so it penetrates deep to exfoliate, unclog, and soothe. Whether it sits on your back, trapped hair, or keratosis pilaris bumps, salicylic acid is your go-to ingredient for smoother and clearer skin. Fighting back acne. Back acne is caused by clogged pores filled with oil, dirt, and bacteria. Salicylic acid for acne saves the day by salicylic acid clears out the pores by dissolving gunk, causing blackheads and pimples. It calms inflammation by reducing redness and swelling. Salicylic acid prevents breakouts by gentle exfoliation. Try a 2% salicylic acid body wash, lather it up and let it sit for 30 seconds and rinse for clearer skin. Banishing ingrown hair. Those annoying bumpy hair stuck under the skin, especially after shaving or waxing. Ingrown hair removal by salicylic acid involves exfoliating dead skin. It frees trapped hair by clearing the surface. Salicylic acid prevents new ingrown hair from forming. Apply a 2% salicylic acid gel or lotion to areas like legs or bikini line post shaving. Patch test first to keep irritation at bay. Smoothing keratosis pilaris. Keratosis pilaris causes rough or red colored bumps, often on the arms, thighs, or back. It's due to keratin buildup in hair follicles. Keratosis pilaris treatment by salicylic acid involves exfoliating buildup. Salicylic acid softens and removes keratin buildup for that smooth and clear skin. Salicylic acid helps in reducing inflammation around those bumps. Use a 1 to 2% salicylic acid based body lotion for keratosis pilaris removal. Pair it with a urea based moisturizer to lock in moisture. How to use salicylic acid safely. Start with low concentration like 0.5 to 2% to avoid any dryness. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and always follow with a moisturizer and sunscreen. If you have sensitive skin or notice any kind of irritation, consult a dermatologist or a physician for a custom plan. Ready to kick back acne, ingrown hair or keratosis pilaris to the curb? Salicylic acid is your ticket to smooth skin. That's all for today. I'll be mentioning some of the product recommendation in the caption. Please check it out. Share this video with your friends who are suffering from keratosis pilaris, ingrown hair or back acne. Hit that like button and subscribe for more such insights. Follow me on Instagram for more such amazing content. See you next time.